friends, welcome to my channel Tech, and I have here one Dell laptop, and I have set up this laptop with multi or dual bootable with Windows 10 and 11. And today I'm going to show how can I did this type of dual boot in my one system. And friends, and watch the video till end, and I will provide step by step listen to you, and I think this will help you to create a multi-boot in your system, and you can switch to 11 and understand when you want to switch with the OS. Okay friends, let's jump to the lesson. If you want to install two OS into your laptop, then after you have to follow these steps. First, open your Chrome, then after download Refresh tool. Okay, go to Chrome, then search Refresh, then after you first click there, then after Refresh 4.6 download this. Okay, I have already downloaded. Then after you have to download the OS file of Windows 10 and 11. Simply search there, download Windows 10 ISO file, and go to this page. Then after you have to download create Windows 10 installation media. Okay, from this creation tool has been downloaded, and open it. Then after right click and open it and click H, and getting a few things ready, click the accept. And after you can see this menu, what do you want to do, and here you have to choose second option, create installation media. Okay, then after next button, and here you can find out Windows 10 and this which language so do you want to download. Okay, after you can find out here 32-bit and 64-bit, or you can download both also. Okay, and I recommend here to select 64-bit and click next. And after there is two options, one is USB flash drive and another is ISO file. I prefer to use this ISO file. And next, then after select a folder where do you want to save it, and after save. Okay, I'm going to close it because I have already ISO file. And after just go to the search bar, just go to the Google, then after type download ISO file of Windows 11 and click the search button. Then after here you can find out download Windows 11, and here you can find out create Windows 11 installation media, and download this tool. And after like we did before, download the Windows 10 like that, you can follow that step, and can download the OS. Okay, from this tool. After download the ISO file, then after you must need a USB flash drive, minimum 8 GB. Okay, you must need pen drive. Then after insert that pen drive into your computer. I'm going to insert the pen drive inside my computer. Then after go to download option, then run the refresh tool. We are going to run refresh tool to make the pen drive bootable. Okay, and then after here go to the select, then after select the OS. Here is my Windows 10 ISO file. I'm going to open it. The most important thing you have to know is that this partition style. How to check the partition style of your computer, whether it's GPT or MBR. Okay, to know the partition style of your computer, just go to the right click this PC, then after go to the manage, then after go to the disk management, then here you can find out disk 0 and right click and go to the properties and go to the volumes tab. Then after you can find out here the partition table of your drive. Okay, this is the GPT, so that you have to, if there you can find out the MBR in the partition table, then after you have to choose the MBR button. Okay, there is the GPT partition style, so I'm going to choose GPT and click the start. Then after click the OK. Again click OK. Again click OK. Now Windows 10 as file is loading on my pen drive, and it automatically makes the bootable pen drive. Okay, through the pen drive I can boot my computer. Okay, just now I'm going to escaping it. After you booted your pen drive and you load the OS with your bootable pen drive, then after you must have the 2 drives in your computer. Okay, if there are important files in your drives, then after let's copy that all file in the other external pocket hard drive, and after only perform these tasks, otherwise your files will be deleted from your drive. Okay, you must have 2 partition of your hard disk. Okay, you must have 2 partition, and one is for 10 and one is for 11. Okay, and after you have to just shut down your computer. Okay, after that insert that bootable pen drive into your system through the USB port. I'm going to insert it. Then after restart the computer and press F12 or delete key from this keyboard. Okay, you have to know the boot key of your laptop, and I have here entered the BIOS menu, and I'm going to the boot section, and I'm going to select my pen drive first, bootable device. Then after I'm going to press the F10 to save, and I'm going to hit the enter button to save and boot from my pen drive to load OS in the drives. Okay, what's going on? Then after just click the next button, then click the install. This OS is loading from the USB pen drive, so I'm going to 10 Pro and hit the next button and tick check, and after click the installation. Here in this phase you must need 2 partition style of your drive. One is for Windows 10 and another is for Windows 11. Here I am going to load Windows 10 in one drive, then after you can load Windows 11 in the another drive, like following the same process. Okay friends, it may take about 1.5 hours to complete this process. Then after completed, then after you have to again make the bootable pen drive with Windows 11, and after follow the same steps and install the Windows 11 into the another drive. Okay, and so you can create 2 dual boot in your one PC, one computer system. Friend, one important thing that if you have important file in a drive, first you have to copy all the important files from a drive. Okay, and then after only perform the tasks, otherwise your file will be deleted. Okay, you may be in the problem. Now here is the language selection, click S, then after S again. Here I am going to I don't have internet now. Sit back and relax. Okay, just a moment. Okay friends, I'm going to skipping this video. The computer will restart it. Then after you have to ask, hi, everything is going well. Okay, yes, it's not going on. Okay, just a moment. Yeah, you have to select here for personal use or organized use as a choice. Click next. Then after you can just click here the domain joins, okay, not the sign in. Then after write here the name of your user, okay. Then after next, select next. Then after you have to set password, okay, like this, accept, and you can skip. Then after accept, and you can now go to the desktop page, okay. We're getting everything ready for you. This might take several minutes. Okay, these are the process while we load new OS in our drive, okay. Like this, it may take about 1.5 hours. If your system is very fast, then after it may take only 30 minutes also. And you can try like this with Windows 11, but you have to install that Windows 11 in the another drive, not this Windows 10 drive. You have to install another drive, okay. You have to know that. Okay friends, hence you can do the tasks, okay. You can install the both dual in your computer system. Then after you can switch to Windows 10 and 11 easily when you want to switch the operating system to gain the experience of the operating system. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.